let's get in here. We're going to go over how to draw a death face. You know, like death, meaning, you know, the Grim Reaper. It's going to be real simple, by the way, step-by-step for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner, you will be able to draw this. So let's get started, okay? First thing to do here is I'm going to start with a kind of like furrowing of the brow, right? When he like gets angry, he's like, "Urgh," right? "Urgh." He's furrowing down, up, down. Down over here, curve, up, for kind of that furrowing of that middle part. Down over here, up, down. So he's got that angry look, and that's kind of like a big part about this, right? You want to make him look especially angry because we're only going to be doing that face part, kind of like you can put this design anywhere. So yeah, just to kind of remember that. How's your day going? Hopefully good, right? Boom, boom. Don't forget to hit the like button and click the bell notification if you like this sort of stuff. This is kind of the, you know, cool part of the channel to kind of keep it up and through the year. So I'm going to pull it in here. I'm pulling this little like L shape almost for the inside eye because I want it to really kind of get sharp. Like there's a lot of tension going on because tension is the biggest thing I want in this. Pull up over here. Up over here. And then we're going to close it up here. Close it up here. It's kind of this effect over here. Right on. Over here on this side. Right on. Curve. Curve right here. And this little tension in the middle. The more tension you put in the center area, the kind of cooler it's going to come out, I think. And I'm going to pull up, outward. Up over here, outward. Curving here for the furrow of the eyebrow. Curl over here for the furrowing of the eyebrow. Pulling up, pulling up. Curve over here. And now we're going to go over here into the nasal cavity, right here in the center, right? You're going to go into the actual, like, nasal cavity of, like, a skull, essentially. Out over here. Out over here. It's basically like a triangle, like a flat triangle. Down. Curve underneath. Up. Again, more tension. Putting line over here, line over here. If you ever look at like a skull is going to have a little dent along the sides there. It's mainly meant for muscles or something like that, but looks really cool in a drawing when you do that. I like to put them as little triangles. It looks like it's pointing into the face. Curve over here for the cheekbone. And I'm going to pull down right here, and I'm going to make it flat. It's going to be the cheekbone's a big part of this. Line over here. So it looks like those empty parts right below the cheekbone area. And that's kind of what we're kind of mostly trying to get across. Hey, I want you to do me a favor right now. If you're here right now, do me a favor and suggest something you want me to draw on the channel. Anything that's scary or maybe like a bad guy from a movie, you know, because it could be like the Penguin from Batman, which is like a bad guy. Recommend some bad guys or recommend some spooky stuff from Creepypasta. That's a really big thing. So I'm gonna go down here and I'm pulling down over here to the center, down to the teeth, and I'm gonna go over here and curve right here and put this teeth line up. Line, 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 line. Over here in this area. So I'm going to put where the teeth kind of connect up into the gums. Line over here. And I'm gonna pull a line down here, and I'm gonna have that open mouth. And I'm gonna draw the underside right there, basically the under teeth. If you like this design, like I say, hit the subscribe and click the bell notification. I post stuff every single day. I'm going to start posting shorts as well on the channel. So check that out. I'm going to draw a line over here for the lower teeth right here. And I'm going to draw a line right here to separate the actual teeth right there. And then lastly, I'm going to go over here, curve underneath here, and kind of with the bottom of the chin. But I'm not going to do everything else, right? Because that's the point of this, is it's just a face. So this is like the only part you're going to see in the edge of the face here. Curve over here. Curve, 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 curve. Line over here, line over here. Curve, 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 curve. Line over here, line over here. Line around the corner, line around the corner. Line down. Just kind of changing the shape over here to kind of just create a kind of more angry look, maybe a little more angular look into the cheekbone. And that's kind of the cool part about this. You can decide, you know, what shapes you want to make. I can put a little corner here. You can do whatever you want. There's no rules, and that's what the cool part about it is. Also, don't forget, check out my Gumroad. There's some free resources there. If you don't know how to draw a regular face, like a regular human face, I have a template on there to help you do it. Completely easy. You don't even have to sign up for anything. Just go to the link in the description, the top link, and go check it out. I'm going to curve around here lastly for the brow, and that's pretty much it. That is a Grim Reaper face. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video. Say hi to me in the comments. Share the video if you do want to help the channel out during the break. You know what I mean? Like when it's non-Halloween, it's not as busy, right? But share the video, and thank you so much. I'll talk to you next time. Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it.